guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Crystal, and thanks for joining us. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to create a simple and easy look for every day, basically, you could say. And yeah, I got this request a couple of times. I had a lot of people ask me, how do you wake up so early in the morning and put on makeup and be out the door? I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning every day to get to work, and it only takes me about 20 minutes to do my makeup. Before, it used to take me like 45 minutes to an hour, but now I've turned it down to where I could do something really fast and easy and not sit there and try to do glam just to be at work. Hello. So I was like, no, I really gotta tone it down a little bit. So I created a look, not created, but I decided to knock off some stuff. Like right now I have lashes on, and I don't put lashes to go to work. It'll be once in a blue moon, but I did wanted to put it in the video. So yeah, what's a video without lashes? And so usually I just put the mascara, curl my lashes, put the mascara, and be out the door. But if you guys want to see how I created this look right here, which is simple, I'm telling you, then you want to keep on watching. Bye. I always say Why I always say Let's move on to the video. So I already did my brows and prepped my face. So we're gonna go straight in with the eyes. Now the first thing you want to do right before you start putting some color on your eyes, you want to use a primer, foundation, whatever base you can put on your eyes. And this one I'm using today is from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Light Ivory. And I am going to apply that all over my lids, like so. And then you're going to take a beauty blender. This is my Real Technique blender, and you're going to softly, gently prime your eyes. Now the reason why that you need to prime your eyes, I mean, everybody's different. Some people really don't prime their eyes, but I like to put a base so it will be easier to work with, and besides it will hide my veiny lids, if you will, and it just helps out a lot when it comes to the blending, and it just keeps everything together. Now to set them, you want to go ahead and set them because sometimes they crease a little. Some people don't, like I said, some people don't set their eyelids after they use a primer or foundation, but I prefer to set my eyes because my eyelids do crease, and it makes it sloppy, my work sloppy. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a puffy brush. You know what? I'm gonna use one of these brushes that I have here, and I'm just gonna quickly set my eyes before they start creasing. Alright, so then now we're going for the fun part. Like I said, I'm gonna keep it short and simple for you guys so it could be easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and use not a basic peach. This is from Wet n Wild. I have not yet opened it, and I should have opened it before I started the video. So I'm gonna go ahead with a transition shade. I always love to start off with a transition color, and for the transition color I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna use this light one right here. Everybody gotta have that in their palette. So we're gonna put that into our crease. Nothing too crazy, you know, something natural and easy. And keep it simple. And I'm gonna go ahead with this orange shade right here. And this one, I'm gonna go a little bit heavy. We're gonna take off some excess off of it. And we're gonna apply that right into our crease, but as well, I wanna pack that color onto our lid, like so. I have something in my eye. I wanna pack that color onto our lid and blend it out with a light hand.
We're free, bound only by frozen.
Sometimes this is sometimes what I do every morning. Like, I try to keep it short and simple. And do it again on this side. And like I said, I really want to saturate that color onto our lid. And then whatever's left over, I go and I blend it into the crease. I'm just going to keep packing this color until I'm satisfied to my likings. Now, you could stop whenever you want. If you really want it natural, just pack the color onto the lid and just blend it out. But do a lot of blending. You really want to blend the shadow out, and you're pretty much done. And if you want, you could use a shimmer color and apply it right here to the corner or to the center of the lid, just a little bit, just to give it a little bazam, you know what I'm saying? And so I'm going to continue because I really want this color to pop. It's really pretty. And now I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to smooth out the edges like so. I'm telling you guys, this is so simple. Like, literally, I'm just using one shade in there. Just one. Now, you could keep it like this if you like to, but I'm going to go ahead and add some color right here into our crease right here, out of V, just to give it a little bit more of a oof, if you know what I'm saying. And I'm going to... This palette has a lot of fallout. That's why I keep blowing it. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Now, this is optional. You don't have to. You could stop right here, put your liner, your wing, and maybe pop some lashes and be out the door. But I want to intensify it a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead with this color right here. And I'm going to put that into the corner V. Ooh. That's pigmented. And I'm gonna blend that out. Right now I'm just blending it in a little bit. Stop it right there, hunty. Alright, so I'm satisfied a little, you know. I'm going to bring this in a little bit because I really want to bring this into the crease. And if you want to go and push it a little bit more further, you go ahead and use these shimmery colors right here, which they are shimmery. But I don't know, I like the look right now. I think I'm going to keep it like that because, like I said, I wanted to make this video very easy and simple as possible. So really quickly, I'm gonna coat my eyes with my favorite mascara, put on a wing and lashes, and I will be right back with you. Okay, so I did my lashes, my wing is on, so now we're gonna move on to the face for a little bit. And for bronzer, I like to use the butter bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers. It's so good. Technically, when you want to contour your face, you really don't need to do all that cream and stuff like that. Like I said, you want to leave out the doors fast. You want to do your makeup fast, but make sure, you know, look flawless at the same time. So what I do really quickly in the morning, I just go and grab my favorite bronzer and I bronze up my face. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I already did my highlight. I did everything. So all I'm missing is really bronzer, blush, and highlight. So we're gonna go ahead and bronze up our face. And I like to use my favorite angle brush. I don't know, where's this from? I forgot where I got this from, but it's one of my favorite brushes to bronze. Bueno, así. I love this bronzer. Why I keep saying that? I love it. It's smells so pretty. Then for blush, I'm going to be using Essence Blush Up. And I bought this in Ulta's for $2. And I got quite a few of them because I think I only got like 3. Because I don't know if they came out with more. But these are very pretty. And they're like ombre colors, like orangey to a peachy. Then it goes to pink. So it's very pretty. And I'm going to dab into that and put that in our apple of our cheeks. Like so. And then for I don't know what it is that my camera keeps shutting off. I delete everything off my SD card so I could have room so the video could be longer, but for some reason it shuts off. And if I don't even know where I'm left off because I really don't want to go back to see it, but I did bronze my face with this bronzer, butter bronzer, and I got this from a local drugstore. This was retail for $17, and I will leave the link down below if you're interested in getting it. And I bronzed up my face. And for blush, I also got this from Ulta's for $2, and this is very pretty, like a peachy pinky, like it's perfect. And for the highlight, I did went ahead and used the Wet n Wild. This is Precious Petals. There you go, Crystal. Precious Petals. And this is one of my favorite highlights. And I did highlight the cheek of the highest cheeks of my bone. And I did my nose and here. And I put some inside the corner of my lids. And I also highlighted on my brow bone. Because I don't even know if all of that recorded. So y'all guys probably is not going to be able to get to see how I did that. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead with the video. And for my water lash line, I am going to use the ColourPop cream gel liner in black to do our eyes. And then we're going to go ahead and go back into the palette, and I do want to put some color on the bottom lash line, so I'm going to grab the same color right here. We're going to go straight in, no transition, just go straight into that same color you used the first time. And as I hate going like this because every time I see my video I'm like, who wants to look at the top of my head? So that's why I pick up my mirror. And then we're gonna go ahead and go in with the mascara, and we're gonna coat our bottom lashes, because a girl can't speak ever. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off my lips because I did moisturize them before I started the video. My lips been feeling a little dry. Maybe I need to start drinking more water and lay off the coffee. Because I really do. So now moving on to the lips, I am going to use NYX lip liner in burgundy, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it in with Kylie lippies, which this is Malibu, okay, and me like that neutral color. I'm going to line up our lips. If that lip color looks good with the eye look, but we're gonna go with it because that's what came out on the top of my head. And yep, this is kind of cute. This is pretty much it for the video. Wait, now is it for the video? And I like to take one of these little sponges and really set the setting spray on my face. And yeah. And yeah, that's about it, hunties. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to be part of the XO family. And yeah, till next time. I'll see you next time. Bye.